Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're really going way beyond just the usual Facebook stuff. Forget liking photos for a second.
Yeah, definitely beyond the basics.
We're diving into something, well, so strategic, so well put together. It's like true mastery of the platform.
Hmm.
Our mission, really, is to show you how to reach this almost unseen level of skill on Facebook, a place most people think, they've got figured out.
That's a great way to put it because this isn't just about having a page or posting updates. It's about architecting a powerful system.
A system.
Yeah, specifically building and launching a full Facebook funnel system. Think of it like your own automated pipeline.
Okay.
It takes people from just discovering you cold traffic all the way through using things like lead ads, messenger bots, custom audiences,
Ah, okay.
and retargeting to turn them into, genuinely engaged people and get real results. It's engineering, not just posting.
Okay, let's unpack this then, because advanced can mean different things. What makes this approach so different? Lots of people run ads, right?
True, but this is about how it all fits together. It's really three things working in sync. First, the technical bit, actually setting up the ads right, building the lead forms, getting the automations working. That takes some skill.
Sure.
Then there's the strategic marketing side, understanding like the psychology behind your messaging, who you're talking to, how you target them effectively.
Right, the why behind it.
Exactly. And third, and this is crucial, it's platform fluency. Really getting how Facebook's algorithm works now and playing with it, not fighting it.
Ah, okay.
When you combine all that, that's when you get this sophisticated setup. The kind of thing, honestly, professionals charge thousands to build for businesses.
Okay, that paints a clear picture. It's
Yeah.
way beyond boosting a post.
Yeah.
So for this deep dive, how do we actually build this thing? What are the key parts? Here's where it gets really interesting.
Right, let's break it down. The journey starts with something really compelling. You need a high-value free offer, your lead magnet.
The bait, okay, so what makes it high value? Not just any old checklist, I imagine. What did our sources say works? Stuff that offers that quick win.
Exactly that. Quick win is key. It has to be super relevant to your audience, something they really want, and gives them an immediate benefit.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, so maybe 10 tips for growing herbs indoors, if you're talking to gardeners, or how to price your crafts to actually make money for creatives.
Ah, specific problems.
Yeah, specific solutions could be a printable guide, a cheat sheet, maybe even a free mini consultation. The insight here is it's not just a freebie. It's the start of a relationship. You give value, build trust right away.
That's smart. It's laying the groundwork.
Okay,
Okay, so you've got this awesome free offer. How do you get it to the right people efficiently without just shouting into the void?
that brings us neatly to part two, creating a Facebook lead ad campaign.
Lead ads, okay.
Now, the really cool thing about lead ads is they let you grab contact info, email, maybe phone number, without the person having to leave Facebook.
Oh, okay. They stay right there.
Yep.
It's almost frictionless, cuts out extra clicks, website loading times, people dropping off. So your conversion rates, getting those leads, tend to be much higher. It's super efficient.
That's a huge advantage. So, practically, inside the ads manager,
Mm.
how do you set that up? How do you tell Facebook, go find me people who want this specific thing, and make the ad itself, stop the scroll?
It's actually pretty straightforward in Meta Ads Manager.
Mhm.
You pick lead generation as your goal. Simple. That tells Facebook what you want.
Gotcha.
Then comes the strategy. You define your audience age, location, interests like gardening or home business. And crucially, you can use those custom audiences we'll talk about.
Right.
For the ad creative, needs to be eye-catching. Good image or video, strong headline like want a side hustle in retirement, clear benefits in the description.
Makes sense.
Then you build the actual form inside Facebook, keep it short name, email maybe, link your privacy policy, and have a nice thank you screen that tells them how to get the freebie. Boom. You're building a data asset of interested people. It's like you're not just advertising, you're building your own list, your own audience. Okay, speaking of data, how do we make that initial interest really work for us? Turn clicks into something more. That's part 3, right? Custom audiences and retargeting. Sounds advanced.
It sounds advanced, but it's where the real magic happens, honestly. Custom audiences let you group people who've already interacted with you somehow.
How so?
Maybe they visited your Facebook page or watched a certain amount of your video, engaged with the post, or even filled out that lead form. You make lists of these people.
Okay.
The strategy then is showing the right follow-up ad to the right group. It's not random. It's based on what they already did.
Targeted follow-up.
Exactly. And from those custom audiences, you can create lookalike audiences, find new people who are similar, or, and this is powerful, you retarget people who showed interest but didn't finish.
Like someone who clicked the ad but didn't give their email?
Precisely. Maybe they watched half your video on herbs but didn't download the guide. You can show them a specific ad later, like, still thinking about herbs, grab your free guide. It focuses your ad spend on warmer leads. Much more efficient.
That feels like having a smart assistant working for you, which kind of leads into part 4, doesn't it? Messenger auto replies,
Yeah.
making it feel like you're always on.
Exactly. This gives your page that 24/7 concierge feel, even if it's just you.
How does that work?
In Meta Business Suite, you set up instant replies. Someone messages your page, boom, they get an immediate response. Thanks for reaching out. We'll reply within 24 hours. Meanwhile, did you see our free guide? Something like that.
Oh, that's useful.
Yeah, and you can add buttons for frequently asked questions, like download checklist or opening hours. It answers common stuff automatically. Saves you time, builds trust, makes sure no one feels ignored. I had a client, small craft business. This totally changed things for her. No more lost DMs, felt like she had staff.
That's brilliant. Stops leads falling through the cracks. Okay, so we've built the offer, the ad, the retargeting, the instant replies, this whole machine. What's the final step?
Yeah.
Making sure it's actually, working well.
Good question. That's part 5. Launch, monitor, and refine. Your system is running offers out, ads are collecting leads, Messenger's chatting, retargeting is happening. Now you gotta watch the numbers.
The metrics.
Yep. Things like your costs per lead, how much are you paying for each email address, your click-through rate, are people actually clicking the ad? You can even see things like how long people spend looking at the lead form. Are they confused? Is it too long? And are the leads any good? Are they your ideal people?
So the data tells you where to tweak things.
Exactly. It's your feedback loop. Maybe the ad image isn't working or the audience targeting is slightly off. You adjust, you optimize. This isn't just using Facebook, it's engineering outcomes. You're building this little ecosystem that runs, gathers leads, builds community, nurtures connections, ideally somewhat automatically.
So, wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening? It means you've hopefully got a handle on how to build this, incredibly powerful funnel system. You've seen how to blend organic stuff and paid ads, use automation, segmentation, smart targeting, all to get real leads and grow your audience. This isn't casual posting. This is real digital fluency.
And if you connect that to the bigger picture, this kind of knowledge lets you potentially generate leads while you sleep. It lets you retarget like a pro strategist. You can build automated systems around your skills or business.
Yeah.
It's genuinely valuable knowledge once you understand it and, more importantly, apply it. It really changes how you can use the platform, turns it into a strategic tool.
It's amazing, isn't it, how most people just don't see Facebook this way. They see it as, I don't know, a time waster sometimes, or just for friends, not as this kind of engine.
Absolutely. And look, building something like this, yeah, it'll probably impress your friends, but the real win, it's proving to yourself you've mastered Facebook on a level most people just never get to. The goal is impact, right? Whether that's growing a business, building a personal brand, supporting a cause. Which leads to, I guess, a final thought.
Go on.
How could you use this? How might you elevate what you're doing, your reputation, your potential, by really leaning into what Facebook was built for, but so few actually take full advantage of? Something to think about.